morning, students. Today in EVS class, I will start with lesson 8, our festivals. For your recapitulation, I will tell you what we have done in the last two classes. First, national festivals. And you know that there are three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Then we have done harvest festivals. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. We did these two things in these two topics in our last two previous classes, and we have done religious festivals also. Holi, Teej, Janmashtami. Holi is the festival of colors. Teej comes in the month of monsoon. Teej comes in the monsoon, and young ladies apply henna on their hands and they enjoying on the swing. Janmashtami is the birthday of Lord Krishna, and on this day, tableaux are placed in the temples and they show the birth history of Lord Krishna. Now today we will discuss the more religious festivals. First, Ganesh Chaturthi. As you all know, Ganesh Chaturthi is the festival. It is celebrated in Maharashtra. Now I will read side by side also. Ganesh Chaturthi. It is a popular festival in Maharashtra. It is celebrated in the honor of Lord Ganesha. Big processions are set up and idols of Lord Ganesha are placed everywhere. Big processions means जुलूस निकलता है. Ganesha are placed everywhere for people to pray. At the end of the celebration, the idols are immersed in water. फिर celebration के last day में उनकी मूर्ति को विसर्जित किया जाता है पानी में. Then Eid ul Fitr. We will read it Fitr. F-I-T-R. This festival is celebrated to mark the end of the holy month of Ramzan. And what is Ramzan? Ramzan is the month of fasting. And what is fasting? Fasting is the day when we don't eat anything and we don't drink water. During Ramzan, Muslims fast for 30 days. On this day, they wear new clothes and go to the mosque. Special namaz is offered. Sevaiya is made and distributed on this day. So Eid ul Fitr is the end of the holy month of Ramzan, and Muslims go to the mosque to pray, to offer namaz. Namaz is the prayer of Muslims. Sevaiya is made and distributed on this day. Now the next festival is Eid ul Zuha. And the second name of Eid ul Zuha is Bakrid. As the name suggests, Bakrid, Muslims sacrifice a goat on this day, and it is a symbol of Ibrahim's great sacrifice. They also pray, feast and rejoice on this day. Next is Dussehra. You all know about this. What is the message of Dussehra? It marks the victory of good over evil. It is known as Vijay Dashmi also. And you know why we celebrate Dussehra? It is celebrated to mark the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana, the king of Lanka. The celebrations last for 10 days. Ram Leela is staged during these days. These days are considered very auspicious in our country and are called Navratras. In West Bengal, these days are celebrated as Durga Puja. So students, we have done today the four festivals: Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Zuha, Dussehra. Dussehra. So I will repeat again. Ganesh Chaturthi, it is the popular festival of Maharashtra. Idols of Murti. Idols of Lord Ganesha are placed everywhere. At the end of the celebration, the idols are immersed in water. And in your locality, you have seen that idol of Ganesha. There are so big idols people placed on one place in the tent, and they worship and they worship Lord Ganesha for 11 days, for 15 days. And at the end of celebration, the idols are immersed in water. Eid ul Fitr. It marks the end of the holy month of Ramzan, and I told you what is Ramzan. Ramzan is the month of fasting. They keep on fasting for 30 days. Muslims go to the mosque for offering namaz, Eid ul Zuha. The second name of this is Bakrid, and as the name is there, Muslims sacrifice a goat in the symbol of Ibrahim's sacrification, in the symbol of Ibrahim's great sacrifice. Then Dussehra. It marks the victory of good over evil. It is known as Vijayadashmi. The celebration lasts for 10 days. Ram Leela is staged during these days. And students, I think that you are very excited on these days, because Ram Leela is staged in the societies, and most of the students are very excited, children are very excited to go there, because on these days you are having the whole vacations, the Dussehra vacations. So Ram Leela is staged during these days. Navratras are also celebrated on these days. In West Bengal, these days are celebrated as Durga Puja. So students, our festivals chapter is very, very interesting chapter. Read it carefully so that you can take the knowledge of each and every festival that are celebrated in India with the great pomp and show. Thank you.